Welcome to our channel, where we showcase the epitome of elegance and comfort with our collection of luxury wooden bed designs. If you appreciate the finer things in life and seek the perfect blend of functionality and opulence, you are in for a treat. In this video, we present a curated selection of acoustic wooden bed designs that will transform your bedroom into a sanctuary of style and tranquility. Each bed featured is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans using the finest quality materials to ensure unparalleled durability and beauty. From sleek and minimalist modern designs to ornate and intricately curved masterpieces, our collection encompasses a wide range of styles to cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Whether you prefer the warm and rustic charm of reclaimed wood or the sleek sophistication of polished hardwood, you will find inspiration and ideas that will leave you awe-inspired. Join us as we take you on a visual journey through these luxurious beds, highlighting their unique features and the attention to detail that sets them apart. Discover the seamless integration of form and function as we explore various design elements such as elegant headboards, integrated storage solutions, and innovative mechanisms for adjustable comfort. Our video not only showcases the beauty of these beds but also provides valuable insights into the craftsmanship and materials used. You will learn about the different types of wood employed, their distinct characteristics, and the benefits they offer in terms of durability and sustainability. If you have been dreaming of creating a lavish and inviting bedroom retreat, our channel is your ultimate source of inspiration. Whether you are an interior design enthusiast, a homeowner looking for ideas, or simply appreciate the allure of luxury furniture, we guarantee you will find something to captivate your imagination. So sit back, relax, and indulge in the world of luxury wooden bed designs. Let us guide you towards creating a heaven of serenity and style, where you can unwind and rejuvenate in the embrace of timeless elegance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content and stay updated on the latest trends in luxury home decor. The description can be customized further with specific bed design names, brand mentions, and additional details about the features and benefits of the showcased beds. Bed designs play a significant role in our lives, impacting our physical and mental well-being, as well as the overall aesthetic appeal of our living spaces. Here are some key reasons why bed designs are important. Number one is comfort and sleep quality. The design of a bed directly influences our comfort and sleep quality. Factors such as mattress support, headboard design, and overall structure affect how well we rest and recharge. A well designed bed provides proper support for our body, aligns the spine, and minimizes discomfort, ensuring a restful sleep experience. Number two is aesthetics and personal style. Bed designs contribute to the overall aesthetics of a room. They serve as a focal point and set the tone of the entire space. Whether you prefer a minimalist, modern design, or a more ornate and traditional style, the bed design can reflect your personal taste and enhance the visual appeal of your bedroom. Number three is space optimization. Bed designs can incorporate smart space saving features such as built in storage compartments, dryers, or adjustable mechanisms. These elements are especially valuable in smaller living spaces where maximizing storage and functionality becomes crucial. Well designed beds help optimize the valuable spaces and create a more organized and clutter free environment. Number four is health and ergonomics. Proper bed design takes into consideration ergonomic principles to support our body during sleep. Features like adjustable headrests or footrests allow for customizable positioning, providing relief for individuals with specific health condition or preferences. Additionally, beds with hypoallergenic materials and proper ventilation can promote better respiratory health. Number 5 is durability and longevity. Bed designs that are built with high quality materials and craftsmanship offer durability and longevity. Investing in a well designed bed ensures that it will withstand daily use and maintain its structural integrity over time. This not only provides value for money but also minimizes the need for frequent replacements. Number 6 is emotional well-being. A comfortable and aesthetically pleasing bed design can contribute to our emotional well-being. A beautiful designed bed can create a sense of calm and relaxation, making the bedroom a sanctuary where we can retreat from the outside world and recharge our energies. In this video, bed designs are crucial for our overall well-being, comfort, and the visual appeal of our living spaces. Thank you.